the cube of each digit. How can find the sum of the cube of each digits? Let us assume the number equal to 1634. I am going to order equal to length of str number, sum equal to 0, temp equal to num, while temp is greater than 0, digit equal to temp modulus of 10, sum plus equal to digit double asterisk order, temp double slash equal to 10. Display the result. What will happen? Num equal to sum means is a Armstrong number, otherwise is not a Armstrong number. Okay, I'm going to run the code. What will happen? One 634 is a Armstrong number. If suppose Control S and the file is not a Armstrong number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.